Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Head Teacher Message Assembly. It's the 18th of January 2021, and you know what is important to us. We are aiming for a great caring attitude from everybody trying their best. We're always learning, especially from our mistakes. We go for improvement and progress. We use our education to help us to make great choices, and we never give up. So, we always talk about true strength because you need strength to live your best life. So how can we become stronger so we live our best life? We know about physical strength. It helps us to overcome physical challenges. It's important to be healthy, but we know that the real strength is your character strength. It's the strength inside you when you are the best that you can be. And if you keep developing that, it'll help you to overcome any challenge. It'll help you to solve any problem that you face. And that's why we always say at Grange that it is all about character strength, which helps you solve any problem. And that's what life is all about. So every time you have a problem in life, you just sort of ask yourself, which character strength am I going to use? So now we've learned about virtues, and virtues literally means good things. And I've told you before about viacharacter.org, which is a very interesting organization that I follow in America. They've looked through religion, through philosophy, through literature, and they've just come up with excellent way of looking at character strength. They divide it into 6 virtues, 6 good ways of living life, 6 ways of noble behavior: wisdom, courage, transcendence, temperance, humanity. The other one that we have not got here is justice, but we'll come back to that. But if we today focus on the virtue of wisdom. So wisdom is not intelligence. It's much more than being clever. It's about thinking and using all your experiences and everything you've learned in life to really think deeply and make good decisions and solve your problems well. So here are some character strengths which make up wisdom, and we'll learn more about them as we go on. First of all, the character strength in wisdom, the beginning one, is creativity. You're always looking at a problem and thinking, how can I solve this, tackle this problem in a way maybe that I haven't thought of before? Let me be creative. Let me think of a new way of tackling this problem. Curiosity is, I'm always interested. Even if I don't know right now something, I might know more as I go along. So I'm curious, I'm interested, I want to learn. The next one, and that's the one we're focusing on today, is judgment. And judgment is, even when people are telling you all sorts of things, you weigh up what you're hearing, you weigh up the thinking that you've got, and you come to a decision, and you're strong enough to make that decision. You can see here an image of a person. There are lots of people around, and a lot of times in my life, people have told me, oh, you need to do this, oh, you need to do that, especially when you're leading something like a school. People say, this is the way you should do it, this is the way you should do it. At the end of the day, we all need to be confident and make our decisions. We need to make judgment calls. So here's 3 powerful judgment actions. Keep an open mind. Don't close your mind. Be a good listener. So you listen, you think, you read, you learn, you hear what people have got to say, but then you make your own mind up respectfully and you have the confidence to stick to it. So what problems does judgment solve? When you've got people telling you all sorts of different opinions, and there are always 2 sides to a story, and there are always different ways of looking at an issue. And especially when you're in a position where you have to make a decision, let's say for your own life, you have to make a judgment call. That's where your character strength of judgment will help you. Thank you very much for what everybody's telling you, but you make your call. And I just wanted to give you a few illustrations of people who've been strong enough to make their call. Look over here: John Lennon, Bob Marley, Malala, Sojourner Truth, Olaudah Equiano, Alan Turing, Greta Thunberg, Rumi. You know where you've heard these names before. These are people who give us inspiration to make judgment calls for ourselves. Yes, people have got different opinions. At the end of the day, I have to weigh up the opinions, keep an open mind, listen well, but then I need to make my judgment. I need to be confident, but at the same time as I'm confident, I'm considerate, I'm respectful. That's our philosophy for life at Grange. So be great, be Grange. Live your life with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Make your calls. Be confident in yourself. Be great. Be Grange.